Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailgun for email sending and spam management, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Mailgun, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailgun website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Fill in the required details in the registration form, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Confirm your password and agree to the terms of service. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox and look for the verification email from Mailgun. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log into Mailgun using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your account further. Choose whether you want to create a domain now or later. To set up a new domain, click on the Domains section in the dashboard. Select the Add New Domain button to start the process. Enter your desired domain name and choose an appropriate region for your server. After entering the details, click on the Add Domain button. You will now see DNS records that you need to configure with your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar's website and navigate to the DNS management section. Add the provided DNS records, including TXT, name, and MX records. Save the changes in your DNS management panel. It may take some time for the DNS records to propagate. Return to the Mailgun dashboard and click on Domains again. Once your DNS records are verified, you will see a status change indicating that your domain is ready to send emails. Now, navigate to the API Keys section in the dashboard. Take note of your private API key and public validation key for later use. Next, go to the Sending section to review your sending limits and settings. Configure your sending options according to your needs. To manage spam effectively, head to the Spam Complaints section in the dashboard. Enable any available options for spam management, such as feedback loops and suppression lists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.